TRUFAST roofing adhesive is a construction-grade polyurethane foam adhesive designed to adhere to approved roof insulation, thermal barriers, cover boards, and fleece-backed membranes to acceptable substrates. Before using the TRUFAST roofing adhesive pressure tanks, first roll or shake the tank several times to ensure proper mixing of the contents. The contents should be agitated for at least 10 seconds. The pressure tanks must be in an upright position when connecting hoses and during use. The red hose connects to Part A, or the red label tank. The blue hose connects to Part B, or the blue label tank. Use the wrench provided in the assembly kit to tighten the hose fittings. Make sure valves are fully open. If they are not fully open, unequal component ratio will occur, resulting in poor quality foam. The push-to-connect manifold comes fully attached to the adhesive dispensing gun. Remove the push-to-connect manifold from the adhesive dispensing gun. Check the gun face to be sure the ports are not blocked in any way. Purge the lines of air by slowly squeezing the gun trigger. Only 1/4 to 1/2 open until all the air is out of the lines and the material is starting to come out of the tip. Purge into a bucket or garbage bag for a few seconds until there is an equal stream coming out of both lines. Place the push-to-connect manifold back onto the adhesive dispensing gun. Make sure the NOx valve is on the push-to-connect manifold. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to the NOx valve face. This helps keep the valve clean from cured foam or contamination that could block one of the chemical ports. Thread the static mixing tip onto the push-to-connect manifold. A straw can be attached to the static mixing tip for ribbon applications. A shower cap can be attached to the static mixing tip for splatter coat applications. Once a mixing tip is used, it must be reactivated within 1 minute. If not reactivated within 1 minute and the ambient temperature is around 70 degrees Fahrenheit, it could cause the material to cure, and blockage in one or both chemical ports may occur. Equal flow of both tanks, Part A and Part B, is required when using this low-rise adhesive system. To optimize foam yield, curing time, and proper performance, maintain a chemical temperature between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. If problems occur, the cause is typically due to a pinched or crimped hose or the chemical temperature creating uneven flow or blockage of one of the chemicals. Partial or complete blockage of one of the chemical ports will result in either A-rich or B-rich foam. With the push-to-connect manifold removed, check that both chemicals have good flow from the dispensing gun ports. Part A chemical may eventually harden and clog the hose if stored too long. The adhesive dispensing gun is disposable and is not intended for continuous reuse. For best results, dispense liquid from the hose at least once a week. Use the tank contents within 30 days of initial use. If the dispensing gun or hoses become clogged, they may need to be replaced. The adhesive dispensing gun kits are available through the distributor where you purchase the TRUFAST roofing adhesive pressure tanks. Contact your local TRUFAST independent representative if you have any additional questions.